How to appeal a rejected compensation claim on AirHelp. Hello everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can appeal a rejected compensation claim on AirHelp. And this is how to go about it. The first step is for you to log in into your AirHelp account just like I've done here. And so once you're logged in, ensure that you understand the reason behind your rejected compensation claim and gather every necessary evidence such as the flight details, the receipt, or your boarding pass, or any correspondence with the airline. So once you do that, after logging in into your AirHelp's account, the next step would be for you to contact the customer support. And how do you do so? Once you're on your AirHelp's dashboard, move to the part of the screen where you can see some tabs such as Add Claim, Protect My Future Trip, Check FAQs, Chat with Us. So just click on the Chat with Us option. And having done that, a chat box would appear on the screen. So yeah, go ahead and make your claim. Go ahead and make an appeal that your compensation claim was rejected, and then you have your evidence. So what you will do is attach your evidence by clicking on the attachment icon in the box. By clicking on that, you'll be redirected to your computer files. So select the location where the files are and then select the file. Alright, so after selecting the file, click on open and the file will be uploaded. Once it is uploaded, go ahead and add and attach your request to it, that okay, I made the claim for so flights, for this, for that, and a response will be sent to you. As you can see, a response has been sent to me already. So if you want to be connected to an expert, select yes and you would be responded to. So this is how you can appeal for denied compensation claim on AirHelp. Thank you for watching and have a good day.